Welcome back, Year 2s. Today we are going to carry on with fractions. Now, last week we already started fractions of a whole and we learned how to recognize and name different units of fractions. So I'm going to quickly review this part because the next part that we are doing is going to carry on where we have ended off on this part. So remember, you will learn to recognize and name fractions. That's what we did in the first part. The second part is we need to find a fraction that we must be added to a given fraction to make a whole, and then we will compare and order unit fractions. Now, last week we already learned when I need to write my fraction, I look at my shape and I have to identify how many pieces are shaded. So in this case, one piece out of the 1, 2, 3 equal parts is shaded. And remember, I will write this fraction as 1/3. One of the 3 pieces. Let's look at the next one. One piece is shaded out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal parts. So when we write the name of this fraction, we write 1/5. 1 out of 5 parts are shaded. Let's remind ourselves what the names are of the different fractions. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 or 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, 1/10, 1/11, or 1/12. We can see that all of these words start with 1 because all of these fractions have a 1 at the top. But today we are going to learn how to name a fraction where more than one part is shaded. Let's read recognizing and naming other fractions. So when we look at the example, we can see that more than one part is shaded. This circle is divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. 2 of the 3 equal parts are shaded. Now look what my fraction is going to look like. 2 of the 3 parts are shaded. And now I read 2/3 of the circle is shaded. 2 because these are the colored parts. And the number at the bottom tells me how many pieces all together. So in this picture, you will get 2 pieces and there are 3 pieces all together. Let's look at the next example. This circle is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. 3 of the 4 equal parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3 parts of the 1, 2, 3, 4 parts are shaded. When we write the fraction, we say 3/4 of the circle is shaded. Or remember this one, we can also read quarters. So we will read 3/4 of the circle is shaded. Let's look at another example they've given to us here at the top. First, we will write how many equal parts there are. There are 5 equal parts. And they tell me 4 of the 5 equal parts are shaded. Now they want me to write the fraction. I write how many are is at the top. 4 pieces of the 5 pieces of the figure is shaded. 4/5 of the figure is shaded. Let me look at the next one. First, I cut my object into pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they ask, of the equal parts are shaded. How many pieces are shaded? 1, 2, 3 pieces of the 8 pieces are shaded. Now I write my fraction. 3 of the 8 pieces are shaded. 3/8 of the circle is shaded. So remember, the number at the top is going to tell me how many pieces are shaded, and the number at the bottom is going to tell me how many equal parts. Let's do the next few examples together. I will start with numbering the inside of my shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces are shaded, and there are 8 pieces altogether. Let's look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces are shaded of the, and I carry on counting, 8, 9, 10. 7/10 are shaded. Let's look at C. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces are shaded of the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4/9 are shaded. Let's look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of the 6 pieces are shaded. 4/6. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I go and count. 1, 2, 3 pieces are shaded, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces altogether. 3/7 are shaded. It should be really easy. If there's anything you are not sure of, please send me a message. For today, you are going to do exercise 3 and 4. Okay, year 2s, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.